All right. Good evening, everyone, once again. So in the last lecture, guys, we learned a great deal about the turtles and how the human activity affects its population. Human activity including the killing, selling, eating of the turtle eggs, as well as keeping them as pets. Am I correct? It has become an endangered species, and therefore its conservation and protection is of utmost importance. All right. Written by Bhav Katadare. The chapter is written by Bhav Katadare of Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, the NGO, the organization that we talked about in the last lecture, and the organization who set up a plan for the conservation. Okay. Now, the Sayadi Nisarga Mitra gives us an account of the steps taken by them and an amazing strategy they adopted for the conservation and protection, obviously, which we are going to learn in the text further. Okay, so without wasting much time, we will very quickly begin with the session and I'll share my screen. Give me a moment. All right, I hope you guys can see my screen. Okay, so there is a question to me: why is it illegal to keep turtle as a pet? My dear, as we had seen in the chapter above, they are an endangered species and therefore they have been given protection under the Wildlife Protection Act, Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Okay, that is there on the first page of your chapter. Therefore, you cannot have them as your pets because it is an endangered species. They need to be in the natural habitat. All right with this, also because we know how important they are to marine ecology. They keep the sea very very clean. Therefore, the oxygen level in the water is maintained. If not, a lot of species, other species too, can die due to that. Endangered species are the species, as we discussed, the species which are on the verge of extinction. All right, so if we don't conserve them, if we don't let them, you know, grow, or if we don't let them breed properly, if we start without any attention, if we just keep on killing them due to our activity, not actually killing them, but they are dying due to our activity, they will soon become extinct and we can't afford that. Clear with this? All right, moving on. So the importance of turtles have been very clearly given to you in the last paragraph that we saw. Okay, we will quickly begin. After the success at Velas is a place, okay, a village in Ratnagiri district where they had, started their first campaign. Correct. So उधर जो success मिला उसके बाद we started implementing the project in other places too. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. So next 5 years, may the entire coastline of Maharashtra, which is like kilometers long, was inspected, was surveyed. उसमें सारा कुछ जो भी किधर होता है, क्या होता है, ये सब कुछ उन्होंने पता लगाया. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages. Just imagine 80 villages में जो ये egg nest थे, टोटल नेस्ट थे, उनको प्रोटेक्शन मिला. सो 80 villages, just multiply into so many, what do we say, the nest that we have, and each nest has like 100 to 150 eggs. So कितने सारे eggs को उन्होंने protection provide किया. Now we come to the one very very important part of your chapter. All right, very important. Okay, if anybody is disturbing you, please just ignore them and let us focus on the chapter only. Okay? Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. Our strategy, very, very important. Okay, our strategy was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs, then to train and involve them in the work of protection. जो लोग इतने टाइम से किल कर रहे थे और उसके इलीगल एक्टिविटीज में जो साथ थे, उनको ही बोला कि तुम लोग ही प्रोटेक्ट करो. Correct. Now why? Because they made them understand the importance of turtles, and they made them understand why it is not advisable to kill them, to sell them. It is a punishable offense. So all of these, ये जो सब कुछ बोला. Now guys, I'll tell you one thing, okay? You're doing one illegal activity by which you are earning money, and you are having rotis at your place. वो poor people होते हैं, correct, village में. तो even if we teach them a lot of things, all right, कि अरे ऐसा होता है, वैसा नहीं होता है, ऐसा करना चाहिए, but ultimately if they are earning by some method and their children or their entire village is prospering due to it, why would they stop it? Correct. So after involving them in this entire plan, they were the ones who thought that चलो इधर से अभी they need to earn also. We snatch their livelihood, that will make no sense. Eventually वो लोग वापस वही करेंगे अगर पैसों की जरूरत होगी तो. So after that they came up with this amazing idea. First was that कि जो local people है वही conserve कर सकते हैं. If somebody else comes and cleans the beaches of Mumbai every day, tell me कितने टाइम तक ये चलेगा? Is it always feasible? Is it always feasible for people to come, people from outside, they come, or college students or whatever organizations that we have, NGO, जो भी है, वो आएंगे, वो clean करके जाएंगे every Sunday, every this day. It is not possible because eventually वो वापस बिगड़ जाएगा. तो what is important? It is important for the local people. Local people like us who visit that beach to keep it clean. हम लोग को समझना चाहिए कि whatever wrappers, whatever things that we have, we shouldn't throw it. If we start doing that, only then the plan, only then the strategy is implemented. So first thing they did was local people को include किया plan में, उनको बोला कि ऐसा करना चाहिए. And second thing was that they included them and then they gave them the livelihood which was very necessary for them. Let us read what kind of livelihood वो provide किया. Okay. Okay. So how did they train and how did they involve them in the work of protection? Let us see. So we started this Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra. They started the Turtle Friend Awards, Kasav Mitra Awards. जो भी कासव का मित्र है, कासव is a Hindi word for turtle. Marathi, I guess, I'm not sure. Yeah. So native language I could say. Turtle मतलब कासव. तो कासव मित्र अवार्ड्स उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किए to encourage more people to be part of the protection campaign. So whoever does it, they get an award, and that is, whenever you're felicitated in front of a lot of people, for village people or for everybody, I feel it is a huge honor. तो ये इतना honor दिया जाता है. Correct. A comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtles was prepared to spread the message. So in such events, they also give this booklet, they show the, a short film which is prepared by them, which, makes them understand the importance of protecting the turtles. The year 2006 saw the beginning of a novel concept. It is novel concept. Novel means very unique and rare. It means a very unique and rare concept उन्होंने begin किया. They started this Turtle Festival or Kasav Mahotsav. Okay, an opportunity for tourists to witness the unique spectacle of the hatchlings rushing out to the sea. So what is there in this Turtle Festival? Tourists, people like you and me who are not living in that area, in that region, they go and watch the hatchlings. All right, turtle जो hatch करते हैं उनके एग में से, उनको भागते हुए सी में जाते हुए देखना, ये टोटल फेस्टिवल था. ठीक है. and we know it is a spectacle to behold. It is an amazing scenery that we could see, and in today's world we don't get to see much of that, correct? We all want to leave our routines and whatever, and we want to travel. When we want to travel, we want to see new things, and this is one of the most uh, inspiring or very nice things to watch, correct? Yeah. A short film on turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional features of the festival. So, what additional things did you get? Natural beauty of Konkan, it is a very beautiful coastline, and a short film on turtles. At the same time, we were quite firm on one issue. The hatchlings should not come to even the slightest harm due to tourist activity. टूरिस्ट एक्टिविटी की वजह से कोई भी टर्टल को इतना सा भी चोट नहीं पहुंचनी चाहिए. नो हार्म शुड बी given to them. Now the tourists were accommodated in the homes of the villagers. That is the way they were going to get the livelihood. Am I correct? So the tourists were accommodated मतलब उनको residential place दी गई थी, रहने के लिए जगह को accommodation बोलते हैं, करेक्ट. सो ये जो विलेजर्स ये जो टूरिस्ट थे वो विलेजर्स के घर पे ही रहते थे. The response to this novel again, it is unique and new concept of homestay. So you must have heard this term homestay. It means whenever you're visiting a place, natives के घर पे रहने का, ठीक है. So one, it is cheaper to the tourist, and second, it is you get to know the culture very well. So a lot of people, they go for this option of homestay. It was excellent. After that, a Turtle Friends Club was established in each village. The members being all the villagers offering homestay. Now, just try to understand this in a simpler way. ये सारे लोग जो होमस्टे ऑफर करते थे, मतलब टूरिस्ट को अपने घर रहने देते थे, हर विलेज में ऐसे थोड़े लोग थे, करेक्ट. उन्होंने मिलके एक टोटल फ्रेंड क्लब एस्टेब्लिश किया. उसमें थोड़ा रूल्स बनाए कि कैसे हम लोग क्या करेंगे. अच्छा, इफ ये टोटल्स की वजह से हम लोग को पैसे मिल रहे हैं, ओके, तो वी ऑल्सो शुड सेव पार्ट ऑफ दैट मनी फॉर देयर प्रोटेक्शन एंड फॉर देयर कंजर्वेशन. बिकॉज अगर वो टर्टल्स है, अगर उनका हैचिंग बराबर हो रहा है, तो ही हमको पैसा मिलेगा. Am I very clear with that? Okay. So what did they do? उन्होंने, अगर मेरे पास 1000 rupees है, okay, from a tourist I'm earning 1000 rupees, 10% of that becomes 100 rupees. 100 rupees they will invest in this total protection fund. एक फंड उन्होंने जमा किया, उसमें हमेशा 100 rupees मतलब 10% of whatever they earn वो डालते हैं. After that money is used for the protection and conservation. Very clear with this? Yes, exactly. Aishwarya, it means that they don't stay in hotels because इतना ये villages थे ना बेटा, तो इतने developed थे ही नहीं कि hotel थे. अभी hotel obviously बना सकते हैं, construct कर सकते हैं, all of that, but it's better because the villagers, they directly get the money from the tourists. There is nobody in between. Okay. So it is, homestay is better for the local residents. Okay, moving on. All villages would now offer the same rate for homestay. कोई भी अलग-अलग rate नहीं देगा. So for the day, if it is 1000 rupees, everybody offers the same. Comprehensive means in detail. Kaushiki, comprehensive means in detail. Detailed उसका meaning होता है, ठीक है? Okay. So same rate देंगे. They gave 10% of their income from homestay. Homestay से जितना भी उनको फायदा होता था, profit होता था, उनका 10% for total protection fund. Okay. The fund would be utilized. Utilized is used effectively. अच्छे से use करते हैं. For the purpose of protection and conservation of turtles. Modern technology also helped. The festival reached all corners of the world through the medium of the internet and our website. तो उन्होंने website बनाए, they did a lot of marketing, and due to that all the corners of the world में ये बात पहुंच गई. You know how powerful internet is. So a lot of tourists started coming in. People around the world began to contact the small villages of Konkan. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and after seeing this positive response, because so many foreigners, so many tourists, they were coming, so बाकी सारे जो villagers थे उनको भी ऐसे interest आया, and they also started coming in. They also started to offer homestay and work towards the protection and conservation of turtles. Now more and more villagers came forward to do this work, and the number of homestay families went up to 35. So there were now 35 families in a village that were offering the homestay facility. As many as 800 people began to visit Velas in the turtle season. Turtle की season होती है, तभी at least 800 people started visiting this place. That is a huge number, guys, for a small village to accommodate, or for people to come and watch it during that particular time. It's a huge achievement by them. Okay, now this meant, when so many people were coming, this meant more business for the villagers. Now they realized that tourism can be a source of income. So now they realized that tourism भी एक way हो सकता है पैसे कमाने का. Okay, so they were getting income from the tourism, because obviously if they'll come, transportation का जो उनका खर्चा होता है वो local में ही बटेगा. Like you take accommodation, you take transportation, you take shopping, फूड एंड एवरीथिंग, तो इनका सबका उनको फायदा बहुत अच्छे से होता था. Tourists bring in money, and in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. As I have mentioned it earlier, टूरिस्ट क्या करने आते हैं, वो टोटल हैचलिंग को देखने आते हैं, और उनसे ही उनको पैसा मिलता है. सो इफ आई वांट टू अर्न मनी, I have understood that I have to protect the turtle eggs. It was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. This idea was conservation of nature through livelihood. I'm earning my livelihood, keeping in mind the conservation of nature. So I'm conserving the nature, I'm protecting the nature, and through that I am earning my livelihood in its true sense. Velas became the project's main success story. तो Velas जो ये जगह है, it became, ये पूरा जो प्रोजेक्ट है उसका सबसे मेन सक्सेस स्टोरी ये बन गया. Sahyadri Nisargamitra, our organization believed that it is only local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. Local जो species है उसका protection सिर्फ एक ही पर्सन कर सकता है या एक ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कर सकता है, वो है लोकल विलेजर्स या लोकल पीपल ऑफ दैट रीजन. Nobody else can do it. Okay, you can't always monitor whatever is happening, because अगर उनको करना है चोरी तो वो कैसे भी करेंगे, कैसे भी किधर से भी करप्शन हो जाएगा. But if we make them understand, the local people can make the project very sustainable. Sustainable means a long lasting. Okay, if they are given the freedom to do that matlab to conserve, the conservation projects become sustainable. I repeat, conservation projects, ऐसे जो projects हाथ में लेते हैं कि turtle को protect करना है, they become sustainable, they become effective and long lasting. Okay, with this belief, we entrusted the project to the forest department, the gram panchayat, the villagers, and their turtle friends club. तो किसको ये पूरा, after everything was set up very nicely, the entire project was handed over. After that, सह्याद्री निसर्गमित्र पीछे हट गया, और ये जो सब है बाकी organizations उनको अपना project दे दिया. All of them are handling it wonderfully. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. तो जब भी necessary होता है तभी देते हैं, बाकी they handle it very well. Okay, so here we finish the second chapter, which is 2.2, the true story of sea turtles. All right. I hope you have understood the importance of turtles. I hope you have no doubts here. Yeah, they have left the project completely, but obviously they have some connection to it. तो जब भी necessary होता है, तभी they give any help, that any assistance that they guys need. Okay, now very quickly, novel concept is a new concept, new, unique, बहुत ही rare, unusual. ठीक है, livelihood मतलब जीने के लिए necessary जो चीजें होती है. livelihood is रोटी कपड़ा मकान. ठीक है, माय डियर, चाइना की बात तो करते ही नहीं है. ठीक है, वो क्या करते हैं क्या नहीं करते हैं. ओके, चलो. I hope you have no doubts, and moving on. Now, after this, we are going to see a very, very beautiful story in form of a poem. ठीक है, अच्छा, last doubt clear कर लेती हूँ. Ruthless means cruel. Ruthless मतलब merciless या cruel. ठीक है, 10% से बेटा वो जो भी उनका काम होता है वो क्लीन रखना है, या जो भी मेंटेनेंस जो होता है ना, जैसे बिल्डिंग में रहते हो तो मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, तो वैसे ही कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव का मीनिंग मैंने बोला डिटेल्ड, डिटेल, इन डेप्थ जो बोलते हैं. ठीक है, ओके, यस, ओके, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी a very, very beautiful story, somebody's mother. I would suggest all of you to not message me for the while. Let us first see the poem. After that, I'll clear your doubts. Okay? ठीक है. Somebody's mother. Okay? Now this poem is an amazing, amazing poem. One, it is narrative poem, in sense it is going to show you some story. It has a story in it. One, it is very emotionally overwhelming story. It is very inspiring. It is full of joys and sorrows. All right, and there is a lot of symbolism here. Okay, एक है कि आपको literal जो story है वो हम देखेंगे. The second part is symbolism. What does it symbolize? What is the implied meaning of this poem? What is the other meaning of this poem? Very clear with this. So let us begin. As you can see, the entire poem is right in front of you. Okay, let us begin with the first stanza. Give me a second, guys. Joseph from Daniel Joseph from Takshila. My dear, last warning to you, don't message me. Okay, okay, or else I'll remove you. Okay, okay, let us see. The woman was old and ragged and grey and bent with the chill of a winter's day. The streets were white with a recent snow, and the women's feet with age were slow. All right, now we see that it is a poem, and the setting of this poem, the region, the locality of this poem, it is set in an extremely cold town. Okay, ये जो town है, ये जो छोटा सा town है, वो बहुत ही ठंड है. मतलब the winter is very, very harsh right now. Okay, it is a region in America, a very, very cold town. It is winter season and weekday है, afternoon का time है. ठीक है, the women, the first stanza shows us the description of this old woman. The woman was old. She was very, very old. She was ragged and grey. Now grey essentially means that बहुत बूढ़े हो जाते तो grey बाल आते हैं, वैसे grey symbolism है. Basically again telling you that she is very, very old, very, very sad. Okay, and ragged word जो है, ragged word जो है वो usually हम कपड़ों के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं कि it is a ragged piece of cloth. It means torn or tattered. All right, it means torn. So here The figure of speech that some of you have clearly said, it is correct. It is tautology. Tautology, tautology, which means tautology means similar meaning words hai. Correct. Okay. We'll do one thing. We'll also discuss all the figures of speech at the end. Let us first only understand the meaning of this poem. ठीक है ना? Okay. So yeah, just a second. Now the woman was old, ragged. She was wearing old and torn clothes, and she was grey and bent with the chill of a winter's day. She was bent. Her back was bent a bit because the winter's day was very, very chilly. It was extremely cold, and just to protect herself, she was like cuddled up. Therefore, her back was bent. Okay, guys, kindly do not message me. Ishan Shetty from Vikroli, my dear. I guess this can be discussed later, or with your branch head. You can just tell it to anybody concerned, and then that will be solved. Okay, let us right now study the poem in front of us. One more thing, just a second. This flower person is messaging me constantly. Give me a second. Remove. Okay. The streets were white with a recent snow. So we understand that abhi abhi bahut recently snowfall hua hai, and therefore the entire streets were covered with white snow, and the women's feet with age, because वो बहुत बूढ़ी थी, तो with age the women's feet, the old women's feet were very, very slow, so she couldn't walk very quickly. She wasn't quick, she wasn't agile. Agile मतलब very able body जिसकी होती है, तो agile, not very swift. Okay, so she was very, very slow in walking. तो बहुत ही धीरे धीरे ये बूढ़ी औरत चल रही थी. ठीक है. Yeah. At the crowded crossing she waited long, jostled aside by the careless throng of human beings who passed her by, unheeding the glance of her anxious eye. Now here in the second stanza we understand what was she wanting to do. What was the task at her hand? So she was at the crowded crossing. Okay, उनको एक road cross करना था. She wanted to go across the street, for which crossing the road she was waiting for a long time. She waited long. और ये जो क्रॉस करने के लिए जो जगह थी उनमें बहुत सारे लोग थे, बहुत सारे लोग उनके आजू बाजू थे. But she was jostled aside. Now jostled means to be pushed. Please, you can write it down. Jostled is pushed aside. So she was pushed aside. बहुत सारी धक्का मुक्की हो रही थी, तो उनको बहुत धक्का लगा. किन से धक्का लगा? By the careless throng of human beings. और ये जो human beings थे वो कितने careless थे कि उन्होंने थोड़ा सा भी, जरा सा भी ध्यान नहीं दिया कि ये बूढ़ी औरत है, and you know she would get hurt. There was no attention given to her. She was neglected. She was ignored completely. Okay. Okay. So she was pushed aside by the careless crowd. Throng, the meaning is given. Throng means crowd of human beings. Very clear with this? Throng means crowd, large crowd of human beings who passed her by. The entire crowd, it passed her by, unheeding the glance of an anxious eye. Nobody even cared to look into her anxious, worried eyes. Okay, anxious means worried. You can write anxious मतलब worried, बहुत ही मतलब वो डरी हुई थी ना, तो अभी if you're worrying or if you're in some stress, it very clearly shows on your face, in your eyes. Correct. Unheeding is indifferent or neglecting. The meaning is given there. Okay, I won't be repeating the meaning again and again. Kindly listen to it properly. अनहीडिंग मतलब बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं देना, करेक्ट? तो निग्लेक्ट करना, इग्नोर करना, नॉट पे अटेंशन, करेक्ट? नॉट पे अटेंशन. और indifferent, indifferent is another meaning of ignoring somebody. So indifferent, the glance, unheeding the glance, glance means look of her worried eyes. It very clearly looked from her anxious eyes. उनकी आंखों को देख के पता चल रहा था, उनके बॉडी लैंग्वेज को देख के पता चलता था कि शी इज इन ट्रबल, शी नीड्स सम हेल्प, शी is under some pressure. Even then, nobody in the crowd even looked at her, gave her any kind of attention. Very clear with this. Now this guy again, Vicky from DN Nagar, last warning to you, my dear. Stop messaging, stop spamming me. Okay. Okay, moving on. So now we understand that this woman, she was not able to walk very properly, and she wanted to cross the street, go across on the other side of the street, but nobody from the large crowd of people even paid attention to her. Moving on. Down the street with laughter and shout, glad in the freedom of school let out, came happy boys like flock of sheep hailing the snow piled white and deep. Past the women so old and grey, hastened the children on their way. Let us see. Now, this paragraph tells us that there was this school let out. Okay, we can imagine that बहुत snow था, इसीलिए school let out, the term is given there, school let out. It means that जैसे इधर मुंबई में बहुत बारिश होती है तो आपको स्कूल से छुट्टी मिल जाती है, एंड वो छुट्टी जो मिलती है उसकी खुशी जो होती है वो बहुत प्यारी होती है. ओके, आपको इतना अच्छा लगता है, आहा आज छुट्टी मिल गया, आज हाफ डे मिल गया जस्ट बिकॉज बारिश थी. करेक्ट? सो यू हैव बिकम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. सो दिस एंटायर ग्रुप ऑफ बॉयज वो स्कूल से जल्दी छूट गए थे ड्यू टू द स्नो और व्हाटएवर, एंड देयरफॉर they were very very happy, they were laughing, shouting, rejoicing, very happy, very merry group of boys. Okay, so down the street with laughter and shout, they were laughing, they were shouting, they were celebrating this school let out. Okay, they were glad. Glad is happy in the freedom. They were so happy due to the freedom that they got from the school let out. School से छुट्टी मिलने के लिए बहुत खुश थे. Came happy boys like a flock of sheep. So now these happy boys are directly compared to flock of sheep. Flock is a collective term, collective name given to a group of sheep. So yes, my dear, it very clearly means the figure of speech used here is a simile. ठीक है, हैप्पी बॉयज को डायरेक्टली फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप के साथ कंपेयर किया है. फ्लॉक का मीनिंग है बंच, ग्रुप, कलेक्टिव नेम है फॉर शीप, तो फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप के साथ कंपेयर किया है. Hailing the snow, and now they were celebrating, right? So they were welcoming. Hailing, the meaning is given welcoming. Yes, it does. Flock also represents group of birds. Correct. Okay, so now they were welcoming the snow which was piled. Okay, तो बहुत जमा हो गया था, जैसे बारिश में बोलते हैं कि पानी भर गया, वैसे स्नो का एकदम पाइल हो गया था, स्टैक पूरा हो गया था. Which was white and deep. It was white and deep. Correct? The snow जो ऊपर आ गया था, it was white and deep. Past the women. Now these all boys in their merriment, in their enjoying, they were very happy, so they went past the women. उन्होंने ये, they were laughing, they were running, they were walking. So ये आगे आगे चलते चलते वो ये जो women थी वो पीछे छूट गई रास्ते में. Past the women so old and grey, hastened the children on their way, and obviously these children were on their way, so they were going, and they moved past her. Okay, hastened, the meaning of hastened is moved fast. Moved fast. So they moved fast. बहुत जल्दी से वो दौड़ रहे थे, तो they were running on their way and they left out the women who was so old and grey. Very clear with this? Okay, I hope we are clear. Any doubts still here, guys? Any doubts still here? All right, moving on. Okay, meaning of glance means look. नजर बोलते हैं ना, तो look. Okay. Okay, Jai, I understand the unit test is there on Saturday. ठीक है. Piled मतलब stack. Pile हो जाना मतलब जमा हो जाना, ठीक है. एक के ऊपर pile of books बोलते हैं, stack of books बोलते हैं. Clear with this? Okay. All right, moving on. Come on. None offered a helping hand to her, so weak and timid, afraid to stir, lest the carriage wheel or the horse's feet should trample her down in the slippery street. Okay. Now it is this monologue of this women. Okay. ये जो old women थे, उसके अंदर जो इतनी conflict चल रहा था, उसके मन में जो डर था, वो ये stanza में दिखाया है. So no one offered her a helping hand. Very clearly it is given here कि कोई भी एक भी बंदा ऐसा नहीं था वो रोड पे जिन्होंने ये जो औरत थी उनको हेल्प किया. So it very clearly shows that the world is a very very cruel place to live in. Okay, there are so many people but nobody offers help. Very very cold, very unhelpful people. Correct. The world is really really unhelpful. So even today when we see कुछ भी रोड पे एक्सीडेंट होता है, people stop, they stare, they take videos. Such idiots, I tell you, they take videos but they don't offer help. वो ये बंदे को उठाते भी नहीं है, and right now I must tell you that पहले बहुत ऐसा था कि पुलिस स्टेशन में जाना पड़ता था. You had to wait for hours if you take the accident victim there or whatever happens. But right now the scenario is quite different. If you offer help to people, you are not actually made to stay there for a long time also. Correct. So ये वीडियोस लेना तो मतलब मेरे तो समझ में आता ही नहीं है. That is a very very cruel thing. So the same happened to this women. Obviously वीडियो निकालने वाला कोई नहीं था तब के जमाने में. मोबाइल फोन्स नहीं थे. इनफैक्ट इन दिस स्टैंजा वी आल्सो सी दैट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बहुत ही अलग था. देयर वर कैरियजेस एंड हॉर्सेस. ओके, तो कैरियज मतलब पीछे जो बैठने वाला पार्ट होता है, तो हॉर्स कार्ट जैसा बोलते हैं, कार्ट CART, तो कैरियज होता है. ओके, तो नो वन ऑफर्ड अ हेल्पिंग हैंड टू हर. किसी ने भी मदद नहीं की उसकी. Nobody offered assistance. She was so weak and timid, afraid to stir. Okay, वो बहुत ही weak थी, वो बहुत ही scared थी. Timid means shy and scared. Timid means shy and scared. She was so shy, she was so scared. She was even afraid to stir. Stir meaning move slightly. Stir का meaning होता है move slightly. Okay. तो वो थोड़ा भी मतलब इधर से उधर जाने में she was very afraid. Lest. Now lest meaning it is given for the fear that. उनको डर क्या था कि even if I slip a bit, what will happen to me? The carriage wheels or the horse's feet should trample her down the slippery street. मैं अगर slip होके गिर गई तो ये जो कैरियज के व्हील्स है वो मेरे से गुजर जाएंगे, मेरे ऊपर से जाएंगे, या तो हॉर्सेस के फीट, हॉर्स के जो फीट होते हैं उनके नीचे मैं पूरी दब जाऊंगी. ट्रैम्पल इज टू गेट क्रश्ड. ओके, प्लीज राइट डाउन ट्रैम्पल, क्रश. तो ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, मैं नीचे आ जाऊंगी उसके. सो शी शुड ट्रैम्पल. ट्रैम्पल का और मीनिंग होता है वॉक हेवीली. कोई अगर आपसे हेवी चीज आपके ऊपर से चली जाती है, पैर से या बॉडी से या जो भी है. ओके, So she was afraid that all of these things would walk upon her, would crush her down the slippery street. So we understand the street was very slippery due to snow, and therefore she was even afraid to move a little bit for the fear that she would fall, and उस पे ये सारे जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन थे, ये जो व्हीकल्स थे, हॉर्स थे, वो ऊपर चल जाएंगे. Okay. Vicky from DN Nagar, I am removing you. Just give me a moment. Since the time is not up yet. Okay. जिसको भी बीच में से चले जाना है वो चले जा सकता है. ठीक है. अच्छा, he has left, I guess. Vicky. Okay. Okay. We will continue. At last came out of the merry troop the gayest boy of all the group. He paused beside her and whispered low, "I'll help you across if you wish to go." And now there's finally this boy came out of the merry troop. Troop is again group of these boys. Troop is a collective term used for people. तो troop है. So at last finally एक लड़का आया. ठीक है. ये मेरी troop से एक लड़का. Gayest means happiest. You can write down the meaning. Gayest means happiest. Okay. फाइनली एक बहुत हैप्पीएस्ट बॉय ऑफ ऑल द ग्रुप, ये बहुत खुश ग्रुप में और एक सबसे जो खुश बंदा था, हैप्पीएस्ट बंदा था, दिस लिटिल बॉय केम, ही पॉज्ड बिसाइड हर. ओके, वो इनके बाजू में खड़ा रहा एंड विस्पर्ड लो, वेरी स्लोली स्पोक दैट अगर आपको सामने जाना है देन आई विल हेल्प यू. ओके, सो आई विल हेल्प यू अक्रॉस इफ यू विश टू गो. ही Her aged hand on his strong young arm she placed, and so without hurt or harm, he guided the trembling feet along, proud that his own were young and strong. Then back again to his friends he went, his young heart happy and well content. Okay. What is merry troop? Merry मतलब joyous, joyful. Merry का मतलब है joyful. जॉयफुल जो ट्रूप था ये, क्योंकि बच्चे तो बहुत ही खुश थे ना, क्योंकि स्कूल बीच में से छूट गई. सो दे वर हैप्पी एंड देयरफॉर मेरी ट्रूप बोला गया है. अरे विकी, आई रिमूव्ड यू. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू स्टिल हियर. द टाइम इज नॉट टिल 4:40. ओके, I'll take till 55. So if you want to leave, you can leave. That's not a problem. Let me complete this. Okay, please do not disturb me. ठीक है. Okay, moving on. So in this one, whisper मतलब बहुत ही धीरे से बोलना. ठीक है. Okay. So finally ये लड़का आया और उनको असिस्टेंस ऑफर किया, उनको हेल्प ऑफर की. तो मतलब ये मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं है कि वर्ल्ड इतनी भी क्रूअल है. There is some this boy symbolizes kindness, goodness in this world. तो किधर ना किधर तो है. Okay, so somewhere there is some goodness and there is some kindness in this world. So this woman, she placed her aged hand. Okay, she was very very old, so she placed her hand on his arm, very very strong and young arm, and finally without any kind of hurt, without any kind of harm to this old woman, she did not slip, she did not fall down, nothing happened to her. So without any sort of hurt or harm, she was able to cross the street. She was able to go on the other side of the street with the assistance of this little boy. Okay, he was the one who guided her trembling feet along. Okay, trembling feet. उसके feet सिर्फ tremble नहीं कर रहे थे. Tremble meaning shivering. She was shivering due to cold. Okay, ऐसा भी होता है कि बूढ़े लोगों को बहुत जल्दी से ठंड लगती है. They are very sensitive people. Correct. So trembling means shivering. This old women were shivering, and therefore, yes my dear, it is synecdoche. Synecdoche figure of speech means that उनके सिर्फ पैर नहीं शिवर कर रहे थे, वो पूरी शिवर कर रही थी. It means that A part is used for whole or whole is used for the part. Correct? So he guided the trembling feet along. ये जो लड़का है उन्होंने पूरा रास्ते में उनकी हेल्प की. Proud that is owned by young and strong. He was proud. He was glad that उसमें खुद में इतनी ताकत है कि दूसरों को हेल्प कर सकता है. Then back again to his friends he went, and then again he went to the sorry. After that he went back to his friends, and he's a young heart, happy and well contented. After that, this boy was very, very happy and satisfied that he could be of some use, that he could offer assistance. Okay, he was very, very happy. So now here again there is synecdoche because his young heart happy. Now सिर्फ heart happy नहीं था, वो पूरा लड़का happy था. तो heart, ये part of his body is used. Part is used to represent the boy. So हम लोग ऐसा तो नहीं समझते कि सिर्फ heart happy था. So obviously heart here means the entire boy was very happy and he was satisfied. Acha, one more figure of speech is included in this line. There is transferred epithet. Okay, क्योंकि happy heart को बोला है, happy actually boy है. So transferred epithet means, listen to this, transferred epithet means when the adjective is transferred from one noun to another. Clear with this? Okay. When the, for example, anxious eye ऊपर है, second stanza का last line, anxious eye. Correct? Anxious eye. Now anxious eye is सिर्फ I anxious नहीं है. Correct? The entire women was very worried. The women was worried. Correct? So it is transferred epithet ऐसा. Very clear with this? Okay, moving on. After this boy comes to this group, okay, ये वापस अपनी friends के पास आता है, तो वो बोलता है, therefore it is in single inverted comma, she is somebody's mother, boys, you know, for all she is aged and poor and slow, and someone sometime may lend her hand to help my mother, you understand? If ever she is old and poor and grey and her own son, own dear boy, so far away. Okay, so वो बोलता है कि तुम लोग को पता है कि ये जो बूढ़ी औरत थी, she was very poor, she was very slow, she was very aged, बहुत ही बूढ़ी थी. करेक्ट? बट ये जो औरत है वो किसी की माँ हो सकती है. she is somebody's mother, and you know, क्या पता फ्यूचर में क्या हो सकता है. maybe my mother, okay, when I am not there, okay, and she grows very, very old, I don't know what is going to happen to her. And for any child, okay, it is worst nightmare to see your parents grow old, to see something happening to your parents. It is a very, very terrible thing to witness. तो ये अपने friends को जाके बोलता है कि क्या पता कल अगर मैं मेरी मम्मी के पास नहीं रहूं, मतलब due to work, due to anything, if I'm away, okay, then I want that my mother also receives some kind of assistant if she needs anything like that. So this woman also could be somebody's mother, and this poor son who is far away, उसका जो बहुत प्यारा बेटा जो बहुत दूर रहता है उससे, उनको कितनी चिंता होती होगी. सो अगर हमारे जैसे लोग अगर उनको असिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड करेंगे, अगर उनकी हेल्प कर देंगे, तो उनका कितना अच्छा होगा. वेरी क्लियर विद दिस? I'll repeat the stanza once again. She is somebody's mother, boys, you know, for all she is aged and poor and slow, and someone sometime may lend a hand. Lend a hand मतलब offer help. Lend a hand मतलब offer help to help my mother. कोई कभी मेरी मम्मी को भी हेल्प करेगा ना ऐसे, क्योंकि वो भी कभी ना कभी तो बूढ़ी होंगे है, and it is not possible that I can be with her all the time. Correct? So if she is ever old and poor and grey and her own dear son, boy, so far away. Okay. Somebody's mother bowed low her head in her home that night and prayer she said was. ये जो somebody's mother है ना, somebody's mother, उन्होंने, ये जो बूढ़ी औरत को ये लड़के ने जो हेल्प किया था, she bowed low her head. Okay, she was praying that night in her home that night, and the prayer that she said was, God be kind to that noble boy. God, please protect, please be kind to this poor boy, to this noble boy who is somebody's son and pride and joy. ये भी किसी का बच्चा, and she is saying, she is praying that everybody is very fortunate to have this person, this kind of son in their life. So he is also somebody's son. वो किसी का बेटा है, वो किसी का pride है. Somebody is so proud of him. Somebody receives so much joy because of him. So please, please, God, protect him at all cost. Very clear with this? Okay. Sorry. Okay. I hope you have understood this entire poem very, very well. And it was very simple to understand. Correct? Yes. Any doubts still here? We have completed the explanation. Okay. So even though it started in a bit depressing way, it ends on a very, very positive note. Am I correct? Yes. What does proud that is own were young mean? Okay. तो वो लाइन का मतलब था कि he was proud, he felt that he was fortunate enough क्योंकि उसके arms जो थे वो strong थे, उसका body जो था वो strong था, so that he could take the weight on of the old lady, so he could provide assistance. उसके लिए he was fortunate कि उसमें खुद में उतनी ताकत थी. ठीक है. So very, very nice poem, very, very inspiring. It talks about how we should always help, because you don't know कि कभी हमारे को ऐसी जरूरत पड़ेगी. Sometimes when we are in trouble, we also would need help. Okay, so it symbolizes we should always help. Very clear with this? Yes, the figures of speech from this poem would be provided to you. I guess you have the notes, so you can check it. Very clear with this? Thank you very much. You guys can leave. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.